what we've been talking about here with the periodic table, the elements, protons, neutrons, electrons are very important. All right, now, one thing we see here is that there's a shift from small to large in the size of the atoms. Okay. Now, one thing we have to understand is that there's three things that make up the atom of the element. Right. There's the nucleus, which is made up of protons, neutrons, and then the electron cloud, which has electrons, right? All right. So what I want to do is we're going to work with hot questions today. Somebody tell me what hot is.
High order. Think.
High order thinking questions. I'm going to give you 1 minute right now. I want you to take your composition book or your notebook paper if you don't have your composition book with you. And I want you to compare and contrast the forces in the nucleus. All right, you got 1 minute, go. 1 minute, compare and contrast the forces of the nucleus. This is what this makes right here, okay? Okay, time. Quickly open your book to page 236, 237. Based upon what we saw in this video up here, and the attraction between protons, neutrons, and electrons, look at page 237. I want you to review your answer with the textual information in the diagram on the bottom of page 237 there, figure 3 in section 1. Compare your answer to that. Do not erase your answer, but if your answer does not compare to the books, then I want you to restate your answer in the next line. Okay? You got 30 seconds. Go. Okay, time. All right, now, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to think about U-238. U stands for uranium. 238 stands for the atomic mass. Remember, in order for us to get the atomic mass, we must add two things together. What are those two things? Protons and neutrons, okay? Or to get the atomic mass. So, the atomic mass of uranium is 238, right? It has how many protons? 92. So therefore, it doesn't have 92 neutrons, then does it? It has more than that. I want you to take uranium-238, and I want you to analyze how it forms isotopes in your next question, all right, or your next statement. On your paper right now, I want you to analyze uranium-238, and I want you to tell me how isotopes are formed based upon the information that we have studied in the past on isotopes and atoms. We have 2 minutes. Go.